This is the grid crossover technique. This is one of the many different techniques you can use to get the crossover pattern going in your field. But this one is a little different because it also strengthens the grid system, which is that deepest foundational system that supports all of the other systems. So in order to do this one, you're going to cross your arm across the front of your body, hand on the opposite hip, grab your shoulder, take a nice deep breath in, exhale and pull down and off to the opposite hip, and then switch sides. So grab that shoulder, take a nice deep breath in, exhale and pull down and off. So you want to do that 3 times on each side, just back and forth, and the back and forth movement is important. After you complete 3 on each side, you turn your palms up and we pull up one arm, inhaling, exhale to the opposite hip. And then do the same thing on the other side, inhaling up the arm and exhaling to the opposite hip. Again, you want to do that 3 times on each side. And then I always like to finish with my palms towards the ground. This is a nice grounding posture, and that really helps settle in the shift that you're trying to make. And that's it.